What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CJ, and we back with another POV. Now, in this video, we're gonna talk about a couple of questions y'all been asking in recent videos. Y'all asked me why did I pick a V6 over a V8, and I'm gonna keep this very simple. The video not gonna be too long, that's why I'm gonna keep it very short and simple. I got a V6 because of the fact that this is my first car. This was my entry into sports cars. This was my entry into Dodge. This was my first car. And when I was getting a car, right, the people that were helping me get a car, they were saying this was too fast. So me personally, I got a V6 because I wanted a coupe. I wanted the Challenger. And everybody was saying this was too fast. The V6 was too fast. So I just got it anyway. But that's my reasoning for getting a V6. There's nothing wrong with a V6 though. 100%. I save on gas. It wasn't too expensive. And also everything with the car I purchased on my own. If y'all don't know, I am pretty young. And I own a coupe, 2-door. And I had nobody co-sign me on anything, like no insurance, no, you know what I'm saying, car note or nothing. Nobody helped me with anything. I got it all on my own. So everything was kind of up there in price naturally because I didn't have, you know what I'm saying, like people to help me when it came to purchasing the car. And that's just with the price. Is that oh, that's a Corvette. Okay. I did see a Ferrari today, bro. I'm mad I wasn't doing a POV then, but I seen a crazy Ferrari. All right, slow down, buddy. What you doing? But yeah, like what I pay for this car is pretty much what some people, like somebody I knew had a V8, well, has a V8. And he paid the same amount, the same amount as I pay for the V6, just because I don't have a cosign or anything. It's just me on the car. But yeah, that's why I ended up getting a V6 over a V8. But y'all let me know, is a V6 that bad? I mean, y'all been on my head talking about slow. What's up? What's going on over there? I see a Challenger and shit. What they doing over there? You know what I'm saying? It's a little lit over there. But y'all let me know, is the V6 like bad? Man, eventually we is gonna have a V8 though. So y'all stay tuned for that. This is my first car and I really wanted to document the car. That's the reason why this car channel is a thing. I just wanted to document my car and I really love my car. Like I love the V6. I love this car specifically, and not to mention that it's a black top and it just looks good as hell. Like, y'all let me know how y'all feel about the V6 and whatnot. Is that a WRX? You don't see too many of those over here, man. But if anybody is looking to get a V6 Challenger or any type of V6, I recommend it. I mean, I don't see nothing wrong with it. You good on gas, I can say that. I'm not gonna lie, gas don't be hitting that bad. There is so much traffic, bro. Gas really don't be hitting that bad, I ain't gonna lie. So you save on the price and gas. I was gonna get a GT. That's what I was gonna get too, because I like cosmetic. I'm a cosmetic type of guy. The only reason why I even got, you know what I'm saying, I just like cars that look good. But damn, I am finna record a POV in a second, so y'all can stay tuned for that. That was pretty much it. That's pretty much my reasoning for getting a V6. It wasn't nothing spectacular. It was just my first car, and I didn't want nothing too fast or anything like that. And I ain't gonna lie, even when I got this car, it was a bit much at first, cause I really didn't even know how to drive. So, but whole lot of traffic, boy. Got a Mustang. How y'all feel about Mustangs? I don't know how I feel about Mustangs. I really didn't want them. I just don't like the weight distribution of the car. Like, I don't like how the front end is so much bigger than the back end. You know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know if y'all want any dealership POVs and whatnot. Just looking at cars. I might do that. Why every time I record, I'm in traffic, bro? It literally was no traffic over here before. Well, not over here, but it wasn't no traffic earlier. As soon as I pick up the camera, what is that? Is that a Corvette? I think it's a Corvette. There literally was no traffic over here, bro. Y'all let me know, do y'all like the traffic videos? Cause I just keep getting hit with them, like. Like a scat pack. Bruh, what in the hell?